Okay, today we want to show you the choices you have for processor rolls from Kooima Ag. We have great choices for you and what type of application you want to process. Okay, I'll start out with our Fibertech roll. It's our highest priced roll. It's also our most highest seller. It is heat treated, chromed. It has extra teeth cut in it, so it has more sharp corners to annihilate the kernel. This roller is designed to break the kernel into 4 or 5 pieces. Okay? Our next roller is called our Fibertech roll. It is exactly the same shape, but it does not have the chromate finish to it. Okay? So this roller will do the same processing job, but will wear out quicker. Okay? Our last roller that we can sell you is our straight cut with the no extra teeth added that will process the kernel by just cracking it. It's the traditional style. It's what everyone started out using. Very good roller. If you just want to crack the kernels, then I wouldn't suggest you spend money and buy a processor roll like this. 3 great choices. Bearings also included with your processor rolls. Give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so we also want to show you today, we get a lot of calls. When do I know when my processor roll is shot, dull? When do I need to replace it? Okay, there's a lot of instances where there's an indicator where you need to change your roller. Okay, first of all, the farmer doesn't. You guys don't know how it started out being sharp. Okay, so this roller will cut my finger if I apply a lot of pressure. Okay, there's got a sharp corner to it. The tooth size is about 1/8 inch to 3/16 high. Okay, this roller here, the worn out one, the top is flat. It is very dull and there is very little step in it. Okay, this roller also was chromated when it started. It wore the chromating off. And once it wears the chromating off, it does wear out rapidly. Okay, so you can see it's kind of got a dull look to it, and it doesn't have the chromating on anymore. Another thing that unfortunately happens is there's a lot of foreign objects that come through here, like bolts. When a foreign object, such as a bolt, comes through a processor roll, obviously the opening that it has to go through is very tight. It does tend to chip some of the teeth off. If you have a lot of rolls that have some chips on them, probably time to change your processor rolls. Okay, another key indicator is you can tell from the cab. If there is a little vibration coming from your processor, more than likely it is the shaft with the bearing on it. It is a must that when you change processor rolls, you change the bearings. The bearings are designed for a very tight fit. These rollers spin at high RPMs. So when you don't change the bearing, if you put a used bearing on a brand new shaft, you will get a vibration. So if you change the bearings, and you can actually feel a little step in the shaft when you take the bearings off of the rollers. So once you do all the work of taking that roller off, gotta buy new bearings. We have them in stock on all of our processor rolls. Give us a call. One of our sales representatives will help you immediately. Thank you for your time.